The concept that we now have antibiotic-free chicken is a total misnomer. All chicken meat for years, 50 years plus, has been antibiotic-free because it's been under USDA inspection and under withdrawal time, so that any antibiotics that were used judiciously and according to government regulations with proper withdrawal time, so that the meat had negligible to no limits or no residue in the meat. Now with the new marketing of antibiotic-free, there's a perception by the public that in the past there were antibiotics in the meat and now there are not, which is totally false. Yeah, why are organic or antibiotic-free or raised without antibiotics or natural birds, why are they in more demand in high-end restaurants and in areas where actually people have higher income? Number one is they can afford that kind of food. Number two is that there's just a total lack of education of the public of what those terms mean. And again, it implies that in the past there have been issues with antibiotics in meat, not only poultry but other meats, when actually they have not been because of government regulations. So in my mind, it's a high-end diet of people that are able to afford that kind of food. Unfortunately, I do feel like that it is not fair to the lower income people who cannot afford to pay these extra prices, and may become difficult for them to find the cheaper or less expensive meats that are raised with conventional methods. As far as hormones, there never have been added hormones in poultry meat. There never will be. There's no such product. In fact, they don't even work well in the avian species. So that's number one, it's not done. Number two, on antibiotics, I just tell them that we never had an issue with antibiotics in meat, that it is a marketing ploy that is used by some companies, and maybe we're our worst enemy in the industry, in that we tend to say that we have no hormones added or no antibiotics in our meat when in fact no one has ever. So